Hey everyone, today we're going to walk you through how to apply for a Santander Bank Credito card in Spain, of course. So this is perfect if you're looking to get a credit card quickly and manage your finances online. So first things first, simply head over to the Santander Spain website, then look for the section labeled, I don't know how to pronounce this word, but it's going to be on screen, or the credit card section. So that's where all the options are going to be listed. So you simply need to take a moment to compare the cards. So Santander usually has a few options, each with different interest rates, annual fees, and reward programs. So simply pick the one that best fits your needs. So once you've chosen a card, you then have to click on Solicitar or Apply. And you'll then be asked to fill out some personal information like your name, address, date of birth, and income details. So simply make sure everything is accurate to avoid delays. Then next, you're also going to need to upload documents like your ID, proof of income, or residency documents. So this is standard for verifying your identity and making sure the application meets Spanish banking regulations. And after submitting your application, Santander will then review it. So this usually takes a few business days, but once approved, you get your credit card delivered to your address and you can start using it right away. So guys, something to keep in mind, some cards allow you to manage your credit and payments directly through the Santander app, which is super handy if you want to keep track of your spending on the go. So that's it. I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.